Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Tasty Food for You. Today, I have a special video lined up for you, and we'll be cooking with one of my favorite vegetables, which is… Any guesses? Well, if you guessed cauliflower, you deserve a prize. We'll make today's episode interesting. I'll tell you some interesting facts about this wonderful vegetable, and I will also tell you all the awesome health benefits you can derive by eating cauliflowers. First, did you know that cauliflower is one of the oldest harvested vegetables in the world? The Egyptians are believed to have produced cauliflowers as far back as 75 BC. Isn't that crazy? Gradually, it has made its way all over the world and into our cuisines, including some dishes that we love. And I'll be cooking a couple of dishes for you today towards the end of the show. Now, before I tell you about the benefits of eating cauliflower, here is a fun fact. Did you know that the cauliflower is related to kale? Cauliflower is part of a family, which includes other vegetables like Brussels sprouts, broccoli, and kale. Benefits. Now let's get into the benefits of eating cauliflower. Cauliflower is one of the healthiest vegetables out there, especially because of its high nutrient value and very low calorie content. A half a cup of cooked cauliflower contains only 30 calories. In fact, a large cauliflower has less calories than a muffin. Due to its low calorie content, this is a great vegetable if you're on a diet or trying to lose weight. Cauliflowers are also extremely rich in fiber and a great source of antioxidants. We all know how important fiber is in our diets to keep our gut healthy and ensure our digestive system is working well. On the other hand, antioxidants are known to protect cells from inflammation and are believed to have anti-cancer properties. Amazing, right? The final health benefit I'm going to tell you about is the fact that cauliflowers… And not many people know this, but cauliflower is super rich in vitamin C. A half a cup of cooked cauliflower contains nearly 90% of your daily value of vitamin C, which is even more vitamin C than in 100 grams of orange. With all those benefits, you definitely should not be skipping on eating cauliflowers now, should you? But some people I know, and some of you watching this video, might not enjoy the taste of cauliflowers. Not to worry though, I'll be giving you some amazing recipes that might just change your mind. Also, I suggest you watch till the end because I have a pro cooking tip I will be sharing with all of you. The first recipe I want to share with you is cauliflower rice. Now, cauliflower is a great low-carb alternative to grains, which is why cauliflower rice is such a popular recipe. Ready for the recipe? Here it is! Recipe number 1. You'll need 1 large cauliflower, and that's the only ingredient. Step 1. Wash and thoroughly dry cauliflower, then remove all greens. Step 2. Cut the cauliflower into large chunks and use a box grater to grate the chunks into rice. Step 3. Transfer to a clean towel or a paper towel and press to remove any excess moisture, which can make your dish soggy. This step is optional. Step 4. Now, you can have the rice raw, or you can sauté in a large skillet over medium heat in 1 tablespoon of oil. Cook for a total of 5 to 8 minutes, then season as desired with soy sauce, salt, or pepper. That's it! Your cauliflower rice is ready. Recipe number 2. For recipe number 2, I will be making cauliflower mac and cheese. You'll need 1 large head cauliflower cut into small florets, 1 teaspoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon butter, a 1/4 cup onion, diced, 1 clove garlic, minced, 3/4 cup milk, plus more as needed, 1 cup cheddar, shredded, 1 cup mozzarella, shredded, a 1/4 cup Parmesan cheese, 4 ounces cream cheese, a 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon salt. Step 1. Cut cauliflower into small pieces and place in a large, microwave-safe bowl. Cover with plastic wrap and steam for 8 to 10 minutes or until cauliflower is tender. Step 2. Heat a large pan or pot to medium-high heat. Add the olive oil, butter, and onions. Cook onions for 3 to 5 minutes or until they begin to brown. Add the garlic and cook for just 30 seconds. Add the milk and cheeses. Stir mixture until the cheese is fully melted and the texture is smooth. Step 3. Pour in the steamed cauliflower and mix until fully combined. Boil for 3 to 5 minutes or until the cauliflower is soft and tender, or to your preference. So, there you have it. 2 amazing recipes that you should try. Now for the pro tip I promised. If you're someone who does not like how cauliflower smells when you boil it, you can add celery seeds or celery leaves to the water. It's a simple way to cut down the smell. Well, that's it from me, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and let me know in the comments below if you tried any of the recipes mentioned in this video. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, like the video, and share it with your friends. For more such videos, hit the subscribe button. Until next time, thanks for watching.